name is Govind Bohra and today I will demonstrate you with lung auscultation. Fortunately, I don't have any patient right now, so I'll demonstrate you on this video. Here in this video, as you can see, we will ask the patient to inhale and exhale, and then the first point we will auscultate is above the clavicle, then it is the apex of the lung, then the lower is the upper lobe of the lung, both side, and then we will auscultate the right part is the middle lobe, as we know that right lung has three lobes. The left is the left is the upper lobe, and then now the right lower lobe, and then we will auscultate the left lower lobe every time the patient is inhaling and exhaling. At the backside, we will auscultate above the scapula for the upper lobes. Then we will auscultate mid of the scapula for the upper lobe of both lungs. Then on the left side here, it is auscultating the upper lobe, and on the right side it is auscultating the middle lobe, and now at the end we will auscultate both the point of the lower lobes of both lungs. By auscultating these points, we see various abnormal sounds. Just three are the mainly seen sounds. For example, crackle, ronchi, and wheeze. In crackle, it is high-pitched. In ronchi, it's rumbling, coarse sound. In wheeze, it's musical noise during inspiration and expiration.